Okay, so VJ buys a brand new car costing £10,000. Its value depreciates by 8% each year for the first 7 years. In the 8th year, there is a high demand for second-hand cars and the value of VJ's car increases by 5%. Calculate the value of the car after, I should say, 8 years there. Okay, so we've got 8 years in total here of changing in price, and for the first 7 years, it depreciates, doesn't it? It goes down. So to get the multiplier, we take the 8% away, okay, from 100%, and we get 90. What do we get? 92%. Yeah. Okay, so because it's depreciating, we're taking the 8% away, 92%, and of course as a decimal that's 0.92. So then I'm going to take the £10,000, which is the initial price, and then I'm going to times it by this multiplier, but I'm going to compound it for 7 years, so power 7, right? So you get then 10,000 times 0.92 and put to the power 7, and we get 5578.4. Now here, of course, you've got 6, so we'd round that to 7 there, yeah, 47, because there's a 6 there, so we'd round that up. Okay, so that's after 7 years. Now the 8th year, there is a high demand for second-hand cars and the value increases by 5%. So now we need a new multiplier. Okay, so the multiplier then will be taking the 100%, which would be this value here, and because it increases, we need to now add on. In this case, it increases by 5%. So we get 105%. Okay, and the multiplier there will be 1.05. So all I've got to do then is take that 5578.47 and multiply it by 1.05. Okay, so if I do that, I will then get, okay, my answer. Notice this time, because it's only for the 8th year, okay, so it's only for 1 year, so I could put power 1 there if I want to, or just leave it, okay, because leaving it is still the same as power 1, and I get 5857.39. Okay, when I chop off those last 2 digits, that's the price I've got there.